example tells us that we want to have $300,000 so that we can buy a house in 10 years. There should be an S on the end of that year. So what monthly deposits will produce a balance of $300,000 after 10 years? We'd like to invest money every month. We don't know how much we have to put in so that we get our goal of $300,000. We're given an annual percentage rate and we're compounding monthly. So which formula are we going to use? We have this nice formula where the annuity formula has been solved for D, the deposits. That's what we're looking for. So we can just take this and figure out what each of the values stand for. A is going to be equal to how much do we want at the end. So in 10 years, how much money are we hoping to have? That's that 300,000. We have our rate as a decimal, and our rate is 7.5%. So we just move that decimal over 2 spots and get 0.075. We also have an N value. N is how many times are we going to put money in every year? And when the question asks what monthly deposits will produce, we're talking putting in money in 12 times a year. We also have T, which is our time. So this problem is saying in 10 years, this is the amount we would like to have. And then the last thing is our I value. For the annuities, I is equal to R divided by N, and that's that 0.075 divided by 12. And we can go ahead and see what that number is right now. 0.075 divided by 12, 0.00625. So once we have everything identified, we're just going to use our formula, get it set up, and then use our calculator to help us out. So our deposits are going to be equal to our 300,000 goes out front. The I value is at 0.00625. We're going to divide this by 1 plus the I value, so 1.00625. Raised to the N times T, so 12 times 10, or 120th power, and then we'll subtract 1 off of the N. So I'm going to do this all on a calculator just to save time. I'm going to start with that 1.00625. We have to raise that to the 120th power. Once we get that answer, we're going to subtract 1. Now we have to take 0.00625 divided by that last number we just got. So that's where if you have this ANS button, you can recall your most previous answer. And we get that, and the N multiplied by 300,000. And we find out, every month we have to deposit $1,686.05. So that's our monthly deposit. If we do that for 10 years, we'll have the $300,000 to buy a house.